I think that everybody can understand how a victim of a crime against them personally, especially like potentially a sexual one or a crime against a woman with domestic abuse or something, would be horrific and difficult to trust what is, traditionally more often than not a male investigator.
It also helps promote the healing because most people who have been victims of a crime of some sort can only heal with acceptance of what happened to them. And a lot of times that is recounting it. So the dogs do assist with that significantly. So they're assisting with that recovery.